Welcome to, or welcome back to, the Nasdaq Scalping Bot channel. My name is John, and this is the daily report about the bot itself. And the main goal of the bot is to get some passive income for me and for others while doing nothing, while sleeping. And preparing this and making a bot with Python was my first Python project. And today, like any other days, I'm going to show you guys how far did I come, did I make progress, did I make any changes, did the bot make profits. That's the most important part. But whatever is going on with the bot, I'll do my daily report to you today. And as always, we start with the coding. And it's Monday. That means that there's a weekend past, and I didn't do much in the weekend. So it's only waiting for today, looking at the market and see what was going on the market and see how the bot reacts to the new coding. But yesterday evening, late at night, and this morning I did a lot of changes on the bot. Let's talk about it. Let's take a look at the contracts. And because on Friday I made some changes, but I couldn't see the effect of the changes, so I had to wait until today when the market was going on again, when there was some action, and then I could see if my coding had effect or not. And if you look at the coding, but at the bot, you see that I have a large change going on down here with information about the average change and the current change. And if you look at the average and current change, you see there is almost no change. But that's not important right now. I just want to see how much change is there when we look at the market, because these are all percentages. So we're talking about 2% here, or minus 3%, plus 1%, plus 2%. So this is all in percentage. And I want to see what would the effect of a change in the candle be, and how large would it be, and then adjust the code. And that's what I did during the day. I did change the code and fine-tuned this, and that's not ready yet because I just need to know what would be the threshold for a buy or a sell. And if you look in the code itself, you see that I disabled the quick sell and the quick buy because they were again crossing right through my day, as in I want to look how the changes were, and then a position was open. Hey, what? Why? What? Okay. And then there was a quick buy or quick sell. So I disabled those and just wanted to see, let's see how the market is, what we're doing at the market, and then see what numbers are we getting back from the bot. And then tomorrow we can, or the day after, it's again a slow market today, we can see what the average is in a change, and then I can say a threshold would be that a new candle will be opened when there's at least a negative of 3%, or at least a positive of 3%, or maybe I say it has to be 4%, or 3.5%, or 2.5%. I don't know. I have to wait, and that's what I did today, just looking at the market and looking at the numbers. And that's the change in the code. Not much, but that was it. And then the market itself today, because I'm skipping the part of did the bot function. Yes, the bot functions. And there is no AI. I wanted to put in the section about AI, but AI has not been activated yet because there are not enough trades in the last week, 2 weeks, so it has no use to activate AI. And we're going to see and going to look at the market. And when we look at the market, we see again there was some action at the beginning of the market opening. There was some action, but unfortunately I couldn't see what the numbers were on that moment because I had just restarted the bot. And then in the later evening, and then until now, there was almost no action. And as you saw, just in the results of the average change, it's only 2% or 3%. So it looks like if I pump this up, it looks like there's a lot of action going on, but it's not enough. And I need to see what numbers are coming up and at what moment I think that there is a good moment to put in a buy or to put in a sell contract. And that's what I'm waiting for. And that's, again, a waiting game. I can't help it. We can't force the market. It just went up. We went even closer to the all-time high. And I don't know how long they're gonna stick around here. There has to be a moment that it will come down. And that's the market. And then we can look at the bot. If we look at the bot, you see that the bot, I started the bot at 6 again. And at 6 you had, till now, 238 candles. And a total profit since start of 4 cents. And that's not even accurate. Yeah, this is accurate, but I did made some losses. If you see, and I can grab the reports of today. And you see we had some buys and sells, and they are all at 2 are only positive. The rest were all negative, and those were the buys and sells of a quick buy or quick sell. So from the moment I killed those, you see there was the final one was at 6. That's nothing else. So we started this week not good, but yeah, we lost today how much? 410 to 41. Yeah, €9. Okay. It's done, because I need the numbers. And that was it. Slow market, nothing to tell about the bot, nothing about anything else. That was it. Again, if you want to see more, just let me know. I will tell you anything you need, but give me a comment and then I will say, okay, we will take it in. And if you like what I do, press like on the video. If you want to see more of that, yes, then please subscribe and watch other videos too. And leave a comment if you want to. You can join me at my Discord server. The link is in the description. And you can see me on Twitch almost every day. I try to do it every day, but it has no use to be on Twitch if there's nothing to see on Twitch for you guys. So there has to be something to see on Twitch before I go live on Twitch. But if you want to have my Twitch channel, that's also a link for in the description. And that was it for today's, guys. Hopefully tomorrow we have a more interaction and more interactive markets so we can talk about it, what the bot did and how the bot did. But for now, all I can say, have a little fun every day.